Welcome back to the channel, folks. We are doing a little quick evening fishing tonight in the Connecticut River. I found the secret to fishing here. You actually need to walk out halfway into the river because that's the only place where there's enough water to fish here. So we're gonna get it ripping right now, and hopefully we'll have some good luck dangling tonight. Well, the water's a little bit deeper than it was last night. I was here and I probably walked about 50 to 75 yards out in the river before it was actually up to my knees. Right now, I'm actually pretty far in, and it's not, well, it's pretty deep right now, actually. Well, not deep, but deeper than it was last night. Actually, I lied. It's not that deep. It just happened to be a dip where I was walking. I'm actually about where I was last night. Just up to my knees, just about. We'll stop right here and see if we get any luck. Here we go. First cast. And nothing. That's okay. They were biting like crazy last night. Well, it's been about an hour now. Still not a single bite. I almost fell in now, but no bites yet. And as much as I love August, I hate it at the same time because you get this part of August and the sun is gone at like 8 o'clock instead of like 8:45. What are you gonna do? That's part of living in New England, I guess. All right, time to change up lures one last time before we head out. Got time for probably 15, 20 more minutes, so see if we get something going. Let's see. This guy usually does pretty well here. We'll give this one a rip. All right, heading back out into the river for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. I don't know, the sun's going down awfully quick right now. So hopefully we can get at least one fish. If not, it's gonna be a very boring video. Woo. Holy shit, that's a fucking cast. In the short time I've been here, the river has dropped already by like another 2 feet. I didn't even notice it because I was fishing, but you can see all that over there was a foot underwater when I first got here, so they must have closed the dam. Now the water's not flowing like it was before. Oh well, makes it easier walking back in the water. Oh, the fuck? Is that a fish that I just hooked or a clam? Hard to tell. Oh, crazy. Oh, shit. Finally, I saw that guy hit too. Oh, good thing I had a net because the hook came off. All right, let's get him over here. What do we got? Finally got a bass. If this guy jumps out of the net, I'll be rip shit. I'll go with the rocks. Finally. Finally landed a bass. It's not a big one, but it's better than getting skunked, right? Oh well, I'll take it. Well, we still got some daylight left. We're gonna see if we can catch one more fish. Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe it'd be a 2-fish night instead of a 1. Who knows? We'll see. Well, we got ducks swimming by us now. Let's see if we can get more fish. God, this line is horrible. There we go. Oh, Jesus, another one. Oh, that's a bass right there, boys. Oh, right. That's like the second cast after that other one. That's a fish right there. Let's get this sucker over to dry land. That is a bass right there, boys. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Ooh, that's a nice fish right there, boys. Look at that. Nice fish. Nice. If I didn't have a net, I wouldn't have landed it. Thank God I brought it tonight. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for tonight's video. It's getting pretty dark. Not really sure why I'm still wearing sunglasses. Oh, well. But it finally had some decent fish to put on film. It's been a while, I think, since I've actually done that. But anyway, if you guys are new here, please subscribe. And for all returning guys, hey, thanks a lot for watching another video. Hopefully I'll catch a lot more people the next one. Have a good night, guys.